Hello and welcome. My name is Robert Gordon and I will be your professor for this course. I wanted to welcome everyone and let everyone know a few of the basics about the class, as well as my teaching philosophy, as well as a little bit about my background. First off, we will be having a number of assessments throughout the course, and a lot of that information is available on your syllabus, so I'd recommend taking a good read on that to really understand the information there. The second thing, to tell you a little bit about my teaching philosophy, I actually feel, since I have a background at Disney and taught at Disney University, that teaching should be fun. I actually learned a lot of things there in order to help kind of streamline the process of education, but at the same time, being able to draw in people's personal experiences and knowledge, as well as applying a lot of the theories and thoughts that we will be discussing in the course to actual practical situations. So a lot of times I would like to pull in my personal experience. I'd like to also ask you your personal experience, because a lot of times I find students have had problems in management, or have had management issues, or have had actually bad managers where they had to endure and somehow manage to learn from that experience. So all of those pieces kind of come together in my teaching philosophy, where it comes to create this sphere of influence that not only embraces learning, but also does a good job about bringing in practical knowledge and experience. My background has been in management for over 25 years. I've been with companies like Crystal Cruises, Disney Cruise Line, Viking Ocean Cruises, and American Classic Voyages. So I have a very strong shipping background, particularly in cruise and hospitality. However, I've also had jobs and consulting gigs over in manufacturing, in management consulting, and finance. So I have a well-rounded amount of information when it comes to management and management in business. So I welcome any questions that you might have in order to kind of keep our discussions kind of moving forward. I find that many times the adult learner will have a lot to contribute to the discussions. And if you have any questions, particularly circumstances that you've encountered along the way, I welcome you bringing them in order to bring in more real life situations, and also for the class as well as myself to offer solutions. Because a lot of times you will find that the resources that you have amongst your classmates is actually going to be more powerful than perhaps maybe what I bring to the table, because I'm going to be just one voice of many, while you're going to be in a class, 10, 18, 20 students. And everyone's going to have different experience and knowledge levels. So you never know, that person who's sitting next to you or is in this virtual class with you is going to be a little bit more knowledgeable and has a little bit more experience, and perhaps you should try to leverage that to help you out, because the more you learn and take away from the course, the better off you're going to be in business, the more you're going to be able to apply in your current career, as well as the more you'll be able to do in the future. So having said all that, thank you very much, and I look forward to learning with all of you.